Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Tidal not playing songs. So there are 10 steps that you can take or check that you can simply go ahead and fix this problem with. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Tidal needs a stable internet connection, so you can try switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and close the app completely and reopen it, which can fix temporary glitches. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and restart your phone, tablet, or computer, and it clears background issues. Again, the other thing you want to do is go to status.tidal.com. The servers might be down. Simply go ahead and check if it is. If it is, then you have no other options but to wait for it. The other thing you want to do is, if you're using Android devices, you can simply go ahead and clear cache, which can fix playback problems. Also, make sure that you're using the latest version of the application and go to App Store or Google Play and update your application if you haven't already. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply try logging out and then logging back in. Also, you need to simply go ahead and make sure that you have disabled VPNs or proxy if you have one, and simply try reinstalling the application, which will definitely fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.